Welcome to this tutorial. How to get traffic analytics for a website you don't own. If you're someone who's interested in understanding how to see traffic on a website, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll show you how to get a few free tools to get traffic analytics for any website, even if you don't own it. Follow the steps as shown in this video. Open your web browser. Type SEOptimer.com in the web address bar and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. On the SEOptimer page, type a website URL in the search bar. Like here, I am typing Amazon.com for demo purposes and then clicking on the Audit button. This will take time to pull and generate the information about a site. Once it loaded the information, scroll down the page to review a website. You will find recommendations and details about a website. Also, can check and analyze the On-Page SEO results, rankings, links, usability, performance results, social results, local SEO, technology results, and many more. Let's check another free SEO tool to check the website traffic. Type similarweb.com in the URL bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. On the Similar Web page, type a website URL in the search bar. For demo purposes, I am typing bhphotovideo.com and then clicking on the search button. Very soon, this will load information from a searched website. Scroll down the page and you will find a section on traffic and engagement analysis. Here, you can see the stats about total visits, last month's change, average visit duration, bounce rate, pages per visit, and the data for total visits of the last 3 months. You can also check the geography and country targeting section for which countries' audiences are most searching for this website. Also, you can see the audience demographic stats, audience interests, and competitors. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.